Good morning. I took out the potatoes from the last batch of potatoes that I planted. The potato plants weren't died back as much as I wanted them to, but I went ahead anyway. I wanted some potatoes. These are what they should look like before harvest. I wait till all of them die back to that if I can, if I don't get desperate for a potato to eat. But anyway, I took these out yesterday. I got about 10 to 12 pounds from a few of these. The patch was pretty small. I would have liked to have more. Anyway, that was the last test patch that I put in, and it is dying back just about the same as the first. I'll show you the first. This is the first test patch. It's still got a ways to go. I'd say another month or two. And it's still standing with the sticks. Here's the one in the pots. The patch in the pots. They still have a ways to go too. Anyway, that's a little update on the potatoes. You have a really wonderful day.